Okay everybody, so a bit of an update as to where we're at. Civic is on the hoist to get itself a full maintenance run, so we're going to do all the fluids and everything, check all our bushes, everything that we need to do. There is a coil over in this back corner that is leaking that we're going to change out, a couple of adjustable bushes in the back that are also gone. Picked up a nail the other week when we were driving, so we're going to do new tyres because we've shredded a few doing that now. And just fix a couple of little general maintenance issues. The front bar we're going to do some more work on because those lights come out. We do have the aftermarket rear bar for this thing, so we're going to have a look at that as well. So we're just bouncing between everything at the moment. Been a bit busy with some other stuff lately, but haven't stopped doing things. So it's getting there. So the XR6. So the XR6, we were doing the gauge install and one of the gauges got damaged during the install. So we ordered a new one, took forever to get it, never turned up, then ordered another one, had to get our money back, got another one, finally turned up. We have a couple of minor things with that, so we're going to do those gauges, recheck the 360-degree camera system. At the moment, the centre bearing and the rear tail shaft needs to get changed, so that's going to be getting done very shortly. But otherwise, the car's running really well, the new clutch and everything is really good. Don't have any drums at all with that there, so that's excellent. But just general maintenance on this thing, just things like that that are dying. Now the 180 is coming along quite nicely as well. We've got a whole bunch done in the rear end and just progressively moving through that, so it's a bit of a fit in between everything else at the moment, but it is coming along quite nicely. We've got a lot planned for this thing. Obviously we've got a lot of videos still to put out and to showcase what's going on with that, but heaps of fun getting stuck into this thing. The more I do about it, the better it is. It's been a long time project. Other than that, there's a few other little bits and pieces here and there that we're going to get into, just random projects as well. We're going to start throwing in a couple of different things we do here as well, just to add to the content of, we're not only just playing with cars all the time, we are doing other bits and pieces as well. So we're going to throw a few of those things in. Some of it's quite interesting, some of it is just general little stuff that we like to do. Might only be a 5-10 minute video, might be a 3-minute video, but it's little things, so to spice it up a bit. So we are also still working on the CNC plasma cutter. It stalled as we had to wait for parts. We've got most of the gear for that now, so we'll be getting stuck into that soon, but coming towards the end of the year, it's getting a lot busier with things, but we are trying to get all these done. We're going to squeeze everything in, add that more variety to what we're doing, but enjoying it as we go, as much as not being able to get the time sometimes to edit the videos, but there's going to be a bunch coming out very shortly. And we're going to continue on and having heaps of fun doing it, which is great, and everyone out there that supports us, that's awesome, thank you very much. So we're going to get stuck into these and keep them coming. Okay, so chucking in an update on the toothless vehicle. We've had a slight incident, for lack of a better description, where the bonnet catch has let go doing 60 k's an hour, and this is the result. The smashed windscreen, it's buckled, this big crease across the bonnet, so basically the bonnet's pretty well wrecked. You know, all the glass inside the roof actually survived all through here, didn't get smashed in, which is pretty good. So the car was actually up for sale, so the person who wants to buy the car is actually quite happy to still have it as it is, but we can't shut the bonnet, so we're going to knock it straight, get it locked down, just double check this latch. New windscreen's going in tomorrow, and then we'll just go from there, see where that gets us. But we're going to play with this bonnet to at least get it straight so we can get it shut at the moment, figure out what was going on with this latch. And it's unfortunate that this has happened, but this is one of those things that happens, just very unlucky, I guess. So lessons learned for next time. Let's get over here and have a look at the hinges. Look at that, still bent that up though. So the whole thing's bent sideways.
Sideways.
Yeah. Because this just rebent all this corner up.
Long thread. Go. Is it like a body working block or something?
Mm-hmm.
actually straight. From here anyway, it looks like it.
It's better than what it did.
And too far.
Yeah, but see, it kinks down.
That one always did kink down.
No, but they both did.
Watch it, Ryan.
Oops. See, I think it's folded it in slightly, which is a problem. See how this is here like this?
Yeah.
I think it's actually pushed the whole thing in like that.
Oh.
Just a little bit, not a lot. Just enough to cause that.
Yeah, I was looking at that before.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, let's get some bolts.
That's you right. Get the right ones. Yep.
Maybe a bit bent. I think everything's a bit bent at the moment.
Worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, he's just gonna have to put shit on it.
Oh, it'll work.
He complains or tell, okay, you have $100 off, so it's still $3,400. Thank you.
Do you want me to go get a citronella candle?
Yeah, if you want.
Do you want to stop this?
Yeah.
I like this. Probably not.
Nope. It's not ideal, but
I feel like it just said fuck you though.
It closes, but on the upper section,
Oh.
it's now. You've bent it too far vertical.
well, it's not an exact science, is it? Jamming wood in engine bay.
Engine bay. If you open up an engine bay and you find wood, there's something wrong.
All right, go pop the bonnet. Oh. What are you freaking out about?
There you go. There's the GoPro running. Oh,
What?
that's the driver's side.
Yes, Ryan.
Yes.
Drive on this side of the
For
road.
some reason, I thought this was the driver's side.
Hey, look.
I'm
Beautiful.
shaking my head. I have a feeling he can do like that, but I don't want to know what the other thing's
Look, if it push comes to shove, then we get the other bonnet and we'll fix it.
That would explain.
Righto, hang on. Okay, so we've just pulled it off, smacked the crap out of it and put it back on, and now it's actually closing again. So the ends are all, as you can see, these are all pretty bent up still, but at least it's drivable again. We can move it on from there. Yeah, if worse comes to worse, we have to. We do have another bonnet that we can re-panel beat and paint, but yeah, we'll see how we go with that. But yeah, next one.